everybody to Advocates United, the second annual Advocates United event where we specialize in helping public adjusters, contractors, and attorneys just really up their game, level up their game to make sure that they take over this industry the way we're supposed to. Our goal is to never have to answer the question, what is a public adjuster? So make sure that you come out to our Miami Advocates United event because we will do it again next year, so you don't want to miss it. Be here right now, right now. Cigars and old fashions. That's how we finish it. Advocates United this year was insane. Ton of people, amazing event, amazing education. My favorite part was the fact that everybody told me they came out learning a ton. And not only that, we're uniting the industry with every event, with every YouTube show, with every consulting, with every conversation that we have amongst each other. All we're doing is elevating the industry by coming together. So make sure that you come out. Go on advocatesunited.com, come out to our next event. We do it throughout the country, but we really do it at the end of the year here in Miami, Florida, my old hometown. So come out, Advocates United 2024 is coming because 2023 was off the hook. Thanks again. We'll see you later. Happy New Year.